Okay, so area and circumference of a circle. It says the circumference of a circle is 10 meters, and then work out the area of this circle and give your answer in terms of pi. So this is a non-calculator question, and we're looking to find the area of the circle. Now the formula for the area of the circle is pi r squared, or pi times by radius squared. And we haven't got a radius in this question, but we do have the information given here that the circumference of the circle is 10 meters. So any circle, let's just say we have this as a circle, and we can find the circumference of a circle by circumference equals pi times by diameter. So because we have been given the circumference, which is the distance all the way around, is given as 10 meters. Now we should be able to find the diameter of this by reversing this formula. So if the circumference is 10 meters, so pi times by the diameter gives us the circumference. So rearranging this formula, we can divide both sides by pi, and that will leave us with the diameter. So diameter equals 10 divided by pi. So this is the diameter. Now then we need to work out the radius. Now the radius is half of the diameter. So if this is all 10 divided by pi, so that means the radius is going to equal 10 divided by pi divided by 2. Okay, so we can work this fraction out. So radius equals 10 divided by pi, so 10 over pi, and then divide by 2. So when we divide something by 2, we can make that into 2 over 1, and now we can simply put that sign to a multiplication sign, or change that sign to multiplication, and then flip this fraction over. So we will have 10 over pi times by 1 over 2, so it's half. So cancelling down the 2, and that goes into 10 5 times, so the radius is 5 over pi. Okay, so now that we have the radius of this circle, we can find the area. So the area is pi times by the radius squared. So the area is going to equal pi times by 5 over pi, and all of that squared. So simplifying that, so we have pi times by 25 over pi squared. Okay, but we can cancel this fraction down, so that's pi over 1, so that pi cancels out. So because we got squared here, so we will no longer have squared, we will just have pi to the power of 1, so basically pi. So area equals 25 over pi for this question, and we want to leave the answer in terms of pi. So this would be so it's meters squared. So 25 over pi meters squared.